Hey fam, we done made it to Vlogmas, y'all. 2022, and we are excited. It's gonna be a challenge for us though, because y'all know we really only post like 1 or 2 times per week. So having to now post a video every single day until Christmas time, 25 days. But we gonna do it. We gonna make it happen. Now y'all know we do a lot of recipes and cooking over here, so that's gonna be the theme of our Vlogmas. We're gonna help y'all make your Christmas day special. We're gonna give you all these different recipes that you can use for your Christmas breakfast, your Christmas brunch, your Christmas dinner, and desserts, and a little fun activities on the side that you may not have thought about. So day one, we're gonna go ahead and do like a shop with me, or we're gonna, just go ahead and get some of these decorations and foods that we're gonna, need to make this Christmas happen. Okay, so roll with us. Make sure you guys go ahead and put your post notifications on, so you won't miss a day of our Vlogmas, because we working hard for y'all. So we hope you enjoy these daggone videos. So come on and shop with us.
Ho, ho, ho!
Alright, so we heading into the store now. I hope they got some shopping carts, because this store is famous for not having no carts, and I need one. Alright y'all, so we in the grocery store right now. And this is the grocery list that we're using today, because we don't have all day to be up in the store. You see how everything is nice and organized, because all we gonna do is check everything off and be like boom, 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 out the door. Now make sure y'all stay to the end of the video, because I'm gonna show y'all how to get access to this grocery list, so you can make it easy for yourself to go shopping. You can use this for your everyday shopping or your holiday shopping, like how we doing it right now. Isn't that cute, y'all? Alright, so right now we in the produce aisle. So we're gonna go ahead and check all these boxes off while we over here. And that's another reason why this grocery list is so important, because you can get everything while you in one section and not have to be running back and forth. So we need some mushrooms.
Mom, look, some blue ones.
Gonna get 2 packs of those.
Look, Mom.
Yes, Kate. Now the next thing I got is the calculator, because although we got our list, we still gotta make sure we in budget. We need some chives. No, just pull it. Keep pulling it. Okay, now pull it hard. Pull it hard. There you go. Here. These oranges smell so good.
No, don't.
We're just gonna go ahead and get the bag of oranges versus the individual oranges. These are $5.99 versus 3 for $5. Come out cheaper getting the whole bag. We need a bag of onions. Look, what a coincidence. Well, we need this brioche for. It already got cinnamon in it. Oh, yes. It take half the work out the way. Can y'all guess what we about to make with this? Go ahead and comment down below. Look, these chicken breasts, y'all, is getting ridiculous. This little chicken breast tenderloins pack is $15. And if you get the regular pack of chicken breast over there, those is like $20. Lord Jesus. Alright, now if you're not in the mood for turkey, or don't want that big old turkey or whole chicken, y'all can get a corner chin. Huh? Alright, we need a pack of Oreos. What's y'all favorite Oreos? Do y'all like the double stack ones, the flavor ones, or y'all just stick to the regular, just the plain old Oreos? Those lemon ones be off the chain.
Mom, look at these ones.
I know, we're not getting those. All right, we need one of these big bags of flour. We need a 5-pound bag, because we're gonna be making cookies and cakes and everything else. Look, the cane sugar is cheaper than the granulated sugar. That's a whole $1 more, but I don't need the cane sugar because that's sweeter. But which one y'all use, the granulated or the cane?
That one.
So for the chocolate chips, y'all, if y'all making chocolate chip cookies, these are for 2 for $6. So that's the white ones. So when y'all bake, do y'all use the shortening sticks or the actual Crisco itself? I like these because they have the measuring on it, so it makes it easier to measure. But which one is better, for beginners, or just overall better flavor? we making progress. That's what we got so far, and we still got the dairy left to get, some of the puff pastry, but we moving right along. All right, we need some pineapple juice and some cranberry juice. Look, normally these ginger ales are for $1. Today they $2.79. Lord Jesus. Look, y'all better make sure y'all don't get sick for a while, because you're gonna need a ginger ale for your stomach, and these prices going up. Okay. So y'all know, of course, they got all these different variations of vanilla. Ooh, look at that vanilla bean paste. Now I just seen this one right here, this Goodman's vanilla. Have y'all tried this? Ooh, look how rich it is versus getting like the one in a box, you know, the little pure. They all $4.99, and this one is $2.99. It looks so rich. I'm gonna try this one.
It looks rich.
All right, I'm going ahead and grab me 2 cans of these cream of chickens. Now if I get the family size, that's the one we really need. These are $3.09, but then they got the small can for $1. This is a 10-ounce can, whereas this is a 22-ounce can. So I got to spend $2 just to get one of these. So I'm gonna go with the 4 of these. This would be cheaper. Y'all, I remember these crescent rolls was like $3, $2. These things have gone up to like $5.25. Goodness gracious. Look at the biscuits, still the same price, but the crescent rolls is high as hell. So I need the puff pastry sheets. Here go y'all pie crust for your sweet potato pies. All right, y'all, so this is the last stop on the list for today. We got to get some brie cheese. I really don't know what's the difference between this one and this one. Oh, it's the flavor. So this is more like a wine, and this is more like a grape. I think I'm gonna go with this one. All right, y'all, look at the damage. We was pretty much able to get everything on the list. They didn't have any of the heavy whipping cream right there, so I just circled it. Oh, I gotta get some apples. We just got our brie cheese. Got the Gouda. All right, y'all. Let's get out of here. All right, y'all. So we done made it back home for our shopping. We done got everything that we needed. Well, pretty much everything that we needed. We're going to go ahead and put everything away. Now let's go ahead and talk about the grocery list and all of these goodies that y'all can get from us around the holiday time. All right, fam. So let's talk about organization and making your life a little more easier and faster when you shop. No one wants to be in the store walking around for hours because you don't know what to pick up, and you may not have checked your house before you went to the store to make sure you already have these items, so you don't have to buy them again twice in the store. All right, so this is how our list looked before we went grocery shopping. All you're going to do is just plug in everything that you need to buy. Everything is nice and organized. You got your produce, meats, bacon, pantry, and you'll just customize this to whatever items you need. So this will be the Christmas template that you'll receive. You'll also have a regular everyday list as well that you can choose from. All you have to do is plug in the items that you need from the store. You also gonna have a bonus section like Dollar Tree or Target or wherever you shop, because we all know we can't get everything from one place. So we might as well go ahead and make it easier on us. Have everything all on one paper so we won't forget anything. Now you can use this grocery list for your everyday shopping, your holiday shopping, your party planning. Now to give you another example, this is the one that we used for our Thanksgiving dinner for last year. And we used this to create our Thanksgiving menu. Do y'all see how this looks nice and organized and fun? You can send this to your family, to your friends. They can get a digital copy just to give them some excitement to know what's cooking. Y'all know everybody always asks, well, what's on the menu? Here you go. You can go ahead and send this out before your event and you'll have it. Now this is the bonus. Now let's say you have all these different recipes you done gathered all year long, or that you created and you made, and now you have all these pieces of papers laying around the house, or your kids want to know, Mom, Dad, how did you make this? Well, guess what, son and daughter or whoever, you can have this recipe book that you can use to pass down for generation to generation. Y'all know how we do. So this is a recipe book that you can also customize and put everything together and be organized. So say for instance you have your appetizers, you can have a customized look just like this. Isn't this cute and festive? This one is for the Christmas time, but you can definitely, jazz it up for whatever holiday function that you want to. This is perfect. You'll need this as well. Now on this channel, we want to make your life a lot more easier and more better. So what we created was some templates that you guys can go ahead and purchase right from us. That's right, rolling with the fam, giving out the tips, the tricks, and the PDFs. Now, if you want the grocery list that you can have right in your email today, that you can go ahead and print out for $5. It's a blank template, and it's good because you can pre-plan your meals, budget before you shop, faster shopping, more organized, and you can print it and go. Now, if you want a menu, we can also take care of that need for you. If you're having a kid's birthday party or adult party, anniversary, whatever holiday function, we can go ahead and customize that for you as well for $10. Now, the good thing with this, you can share a digital copy to anyone at any time and excite your guests. Set the stage. Y'all know how it is. As we just said, everybody wants to know what's on the menu before they get there. Maybe they have some dietary restrictions, and you can, give them an option to say something before they come. And you'll be able to print and make copies if you need to. Now, this one is the best price for the banker, though. You can get the recipe book for $75, y'all. Okay? It's a customized book. Keep all your recipes organized and not all over the house. Keep your recipes in the family. That's right. Everybody wants a cookbook to be able to share. You have a digital copy and you can print them out and place it in the binder. Now, for this recipe book, you can get 75 recipes or less. Anything more than 75 recipes, the price will vary. To get your request done as soon as possible, go ahead and email us at rollingwiththefam@gmail.com, and we'll go ahead and tell you what you need to do next to get yours today.